Good morning, everyone. Now today, Chloe and Bill, they're going to perform how are we going to do while we are encountering a big earthquake. Let's give it a big hand, please.
英文课要开始了，对啊，赶快来。这一次上的科目好像是关于地震。哦，地震。
All right, now listen up. What are you going to do when you encounter a big earthquake? We have 3 steps. Step 1. What is step 1? Drop. All right. Step 2. Cover what?
Head.
Cover your head. Step 3 is hold on to what? Something is very steady, right? Now, you're going to demonstrate how to do it, all right? All right, step 1, drop. Step 2, cover. Step 3, hold on. All right, you're doing great. You have done a great job. Let's give yourself a big hand, please. Say hello to your audience, to your YouTube subscribers. See you next time. Bye bye.